Divya, welcome back to my channel Recently Traveled. 2020 has almost come to an end and I'm so grateful to be able to end this year with another travel, and this time I'm going for a winter trek. This is going to be my first winter trek, so I'm very excited for that. I'm in Dehradun right now. From here I'll be going to Sankri, which is at an altitude of 1900 meters. And Sankri is actually a base camp. From there we are going to head towards the summit over the next 3-4 days. So if you want to know everything about the Kedarkantha trek, please keep watching this video. 6 o'clock in the evening and we are going to have some food. We have found a really nice cafe. The interiors look really good on the internet. We are staying at Park Residency. So it's a hotel at Tilak Road. And from airport it took us around 1 hour to reach here. We were also trying to book an Uber, but unfortunately the Uber wasn't available, so we booked a local taxi and it costed us around 1000 rupees. So I think Dehradun is expensive on that front. It's actually pretty cold here right now in Dehradun. It's 14 degrees Celsius, but coming from Lucknow it feels almost the same.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So we have arrived at the Carlson Cafe, checking out their menu right now. Just use their barcode and their menu is right on our phones right now, so we're gonna check out that. We ordered some cappuccino, some chili toast and mud pie. It was really tasty. Then the portion size was really good as well. If you're in Dehradun, make sure to come to this place and try everything that you can from their menu. We are here at our next spot, the Asia 7 restaurant. It has a really good rating on Zomato. The food is about to arrive. We have ordered a thupka and a sizzler for ourselves. So let's see how the food tastes. Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's a pretty cold morning and we are heading to the Dehradun railway station. We are traveling with the Himalayan hikers.
Crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Our trip has costed us 7,000 per person for 6 days. Right now we have stopped near the Kempty Falls for breakfast.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down,
And now we have stopped at this point. The river Yamuna is flowing right there. It looks so clean from here. I'm gonna go down and show you a closer view. The way this point is called is Bandigarh. And we are still yet to cover 50% of our journey from here to Sankri.
Said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher.
We are sitting by the river Yamuna. It is such a nice point. Everybody around us is taking photos, indulging in nice silly activities here. It feels so good to be back here in India and enjoying a trip like this. So looking forward for my winter trek that starts from Sankri tomorrow morning. After we reach Sankri in the evening today, I think we are just gonna rest and acclimatize.
When the river is calling, I said I love you forever. We can make it together.
so it's 6:30 p.m. right now and we have reached Sankri. We are staying at the Shiva homestay. The room is pretty basic and we are right now going for the briefing. So really looking forward to that. And after the briefing, we are also going to go to the Sankri market to rent certain equipments that we might need for tomorrow.
When the river is calling, I said I love you forever. We can.
We're here for the briefing. Right now they've served us hot tea when he told us that for tomorrow we are 120 people who are going to go together for the trek. This number is a lot right now because of Christmas and New Year's.
Breaks my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the one on your shoulder. When did we become so much older? Now I wish I could say that all my troubles gonna blow away.
Today has been so much fun and our trip is just getting started. We are going to be covering some beautiful valleys and forest cover throughout our journey for the next 3-4 days. So do subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for future vlogs, and I'll see you guys next time.
I love you forever.